In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an inventory item in Xero 5 minutes. First, open your browser and head to the Xero login page. Click Login, then enter your email and password. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that as well. Keep your login details secure and avoid saving credentials on shared devices. Once you're in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard. From the dashboard, look toward the top menu and select Business. In that drop-down, choose Products and Services. This is where all your items live, including stock you sell, services you provide, and anything you want to add quickly to invoices and bills. To create something new, click the New Item button. This opens the item setup form. Start with the code field. Think of the code as a short, unique identifier for quick searches, something like a model number or a brief abbreviation. Keep it consistent with your existing naming conventions so your list stays tidy and easy to filter. Next, enter a clear descriptive name. This is what your team will see and what can appear on invoices and bills. So make it specific enough that it's unmistakable. Now fill in the details. Add a helpful description for sales so your customers understand what they're getting. If you also purchase this item from a supplier, fill in the purchase description too. Enter a default sales price if you have one and a cost price if you buy it. These defaults save time later, and you can always override them on a single transaction. Choose the correct accounts. For selling, pick your standard revenue or sales account and apply the right tax rate for your region. For purchasing, select the appropriate expense or cost of goods sold account along with its tax rate. Using the right accounts ensures your reports, margins, and tax calculations stay accurate. If you physically track stock levels, look for the option to track inventory. When tracking is on, you'll also set the asset account that holds your inventory value and the cost of goods sold account. Only enable tracking if you intend to maintain quantities and want Xero to move costs automatically. Otherwise, leave it off for a simpler untracked item. Double check everything for spelling, correct accounts, and sensible prices. When you're satisfied, click Save. You'll return to the Products and Services list where your new item should now appear. If you ever need to tweak something, open the item again, adjust the details, and save. That's it. Your inventory item is now ready to use on invoices, quotes, and bills, making your workflow faster and your reporting cleaner.